Hello everyone, this is KAHEVA. Today I'll talk about 5 reasons why India will become the center of the world economy. First of all, India is an education giant. Even when I was studying in the US, it was almost always Indians when we talked about genius. The computer science professors of Samsung are also Indians. India is an IT powerhouse. Most of Samsung's software developers are Indians. So Indian foods are served at Samsung's company cafeteria. The president and CEO of Samsung Star Labs is Pranav Mistry, an Indian. Indians are also dominating the Silicon Valley of the United States. More than 1,000 Indians are working at Samsung R&D Center, the Research and Development Center. This is Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet. Alphabet is the mother company of Google. And Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft. And he is Shantanu Narayan, the CEO of Adobe. And Nikesh Arora is the CEO and chairman of Palo Alto Networks. The best resource in the whole world is manpower, human resource. And that manpower comes from education. China's sea is blocked by Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, and Japan, etc. So it is inevitable for China to have territorial disputes with many other countries when China tries to reach the open sea. However, India has open sea as its own. So India, which has the similar population with China, will replace China. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country, and YouTube is available in India. The United States competes with Europe, and India competes with China. In the past, all roads led to Rome. But now, the present and the future are led to YouTube. For your information, YouTube is blocked in China. It is because Indians like Keriminati and KAHEVA. From now on, YouTube will break down oppressions and deceptions. YouTube will change the world. The United States and the whole world are keeping China in check, and the main beneficiary is India. The United States used to invest dollars in China, but now dollars will be invested in India. A person or the public becomes intellectually imprisoned and suppressed through 2 sources. One is religion and another is political system. India has democratic system, and there is freedom of religion in India. Therefore, India will be the advanced nation. Finally, in conclusion, India's great poet Rabindranath Tagore prophesied that Korea is the lamp of the East. Korean YouTuber KAHEVA analyzes and prophesies that within 10 years, India will become advanced country, and India will become the flower of world's spiritual culture. This was KAHEVA, Ka, charisma, He, head, Va, for value. KAHEVA. God bless you.